I'm going to take you through how to write your consequence paragraphs. So the purpose of this is to tell your reader what consequences of your topic are. So I'm going to go back to my evidence organizer, and I'm going to say, okay, it impacts families financially, and I'm going to copy and paste that it impacts families financially. So first, I'm just going to write that there are many consequences to coronavirus. One of them is that it has negatively impacted families financially, period. For example, Rebecca Winthrop asserts that I'm going to copy this piece of evidence, cite it correctly, in other words, students are really struggling during online learning for a variety of reasons, but this is leading to put families even more at risk financially than they already are. And then I'm going to say, this is a problematic consequence. It's a problematic consequence because it is so what I want you to see also is that when I say in other words, something that I saw a lot of you say is, in other words, this is saying that, and I want you to delete this is saying that. Just write in other words and what the text is saying. So when you go to your research essay outline, you'll see that here, when you say look at example, it will bring you back to this example that I just made. So first I have context, evidence, so I have my context and topic in this first sentence. I have my evidence here. I explain. And my support or my elaboration. And so I'm going to copy this and put it into these slides. And that way, that is right here on these slides for you.